Hi, Lauren. Those are beautiful flowers. Who gave them to you?
Hi, Jamie. No one gave them to me. I got them from the florist for my studies. But they're easy to grow in this part of the world.
Oh, yes. I forgot you're studying botany now. So what are they?
They're calendula flowers. They're part of the Asteraceae family.
Is that Latin?
Yes, sorry. The Asteraceae family is one of the largest families of flowering plants. It includes over 19,000 species. Only the orchid family is larger. It's also known as the sunflower family or the daisy family.
Well, that's easier for me to say.
It is, but in botany, we have to learn the Latin names of all the plants. It's actually very useful. Take this calendula, for example. The flowers are edible, and you can make them into teas and tinctures. They have many medicinal properties. But calendula looks a lot like another flower in the Asteraceae family, called marigold, which is poisonous. In fact, some people even call calendula marigold.
That's confusing.
Right. And if you went to buy the flowers and ask for marigold, you might get one or the other, which wouldn't matter if you just wanted them for decoration. But if you wanted to cook with them or make herbal remedies, you could get into serious trouble.
Yes, you could poison someone.
That's where the Latin comes in useful. Marigolds are all from the Tagetes genus, so their Latin names all start with that word. There are about 20 species of calendula plants, but their Latin names all contain the word calendula. The species most often used for herbal remedies, the one I have here, is Calendula officinalis.
It's a lovely name. It sounds quite poetic.
Yes, and it tells us a lot about the plant too. Calendula is related to the Latin word for calendar or clock because the flowers bloom almost all year round in the right conditions. Officinalis is a word we often see in plant taxonomy. It means that the plant has a long history of being used in medicine. Lots of common herbs fall into this category. Sage is Salvia officinalis, and rosemary is Rosmarinus officinalis.
My mum uses both of those in cooking. I never knew they were medicinal. So are you going to make herbal remedies with your calendula?
I don't think so, but after I've studied it and made notes on it, I might make the flowers into a tea.
Save a cup for me. I'd like to try it. As long as you're sure they're not marigolds.